Welcome to Rai University, Ahmedabad. Today, let us see a lecture on site selection and layout of the field for vegetable production. The purpose of this lecture is to familiarize the student with the basic practice required to successfully produce the wide variety of vegetables that can be grown in the area of commercial base. Site selection is the single most important factor in vegetable production and can make a pronounced difference on how well and abundantly vegetable will grow. Planting location has a significant effect on potential production. Before selecting a site for vegetable production, we need to see certain things. That is, first we need to track the shadow in the area of yard at several times throughout the day. We must look for full light nearly all the day for ideal conditions. Next, we need to make sure if the land is flat. A slope is possible to garden. Sloping sites provide the best protection against frost. But then we may want to consider terracing the land, and that can be a lot of work. So flat land assures a proper water flow. Next, we need to create a walking area around the beds so that we can access them from all the sides. These are certain things which we need to keep in our mind before selecting a site for vegetable production. Now let us see with the key factors in vegetable production. Success in vegetable production, whether it is organic or not, is greatly dependent on a well thought out plan. There are certain key factors that should be considered carefully during the planning stage of the farming operation. The first process is site selection, field topography, soil type and quality, water, crop and variety selection, and the market development. Now let us see with site selection. Before planting a vegetable seeds or seedlings, we need to select an appropriate site. Take location, soil, microclimates and irrigations into consideration as we decide where to place the garden. Minimizing the potential production problems, it is essential to all the farming operations. This is especially true for organic producers. One of the most effective means of reducing potential problem is through proper field site selection. 3 points should be considered when selecting a field to produce vegetables: field topography, soil type, water availability, and the quality. Now you can see in this video how the site has been selected for vegetable production. During the process of selecting a site, one should take into account the information regarding natural resource and the specific needs for different areas. The natural resource base must be able to sustain the selected site. To evaluate the farm in its whole, it is necessary to draw a map indicating the farm's topography, boundaries as well as soil and water resource. This is essential information needed in the planning process when selecting a site for a specific purpose. We need to see certain things when the production sites are selected. That is, first we need to see the type of soil, depth of soil and the